In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the address on your provisional driving license in the UK. First, open the link in the description. This takes you to the official gov.uk page for changing the address on your driving license. On the page, you'll see the option to update the address on a full or provisional license. This service is free. You can continue driving while you wait for your new license to arrive. Before you start, make sure you have the following: your driving license details, you are a Great Britain resident, your addresses from the last 3 years, and you are not banned from driving. Now follow the steps on the website and enter your new address when prompted. If your license is valid for more than 2 years and you want to update your photo, you'll need to renew your license, which costs £14. If your license is valid for less than 2 years, updating the photo is free. Also remember to update related documents, such as your vehicle logbook, V5C, vehicle tax and direct debit, and any personalized registration number documents. Once you submit the form, the DVLA will send you a confirmation email. Your new driving license will then be sent to you by post. And that's it. That's how you change the address on your provisional driving license in the UK. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.